Hey guys! Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to see the mentality of money series episode 3, the ramifications of our own previous occurrences. Personal histories such as life, family experiences, and economic habits greatly influence our relationship with money and our economic practices. Important points that highlight the impact of personal history include the money script. Our personal histories shape our beliefs, attitudes, and stories about money. These deep-seated beliefs, known as money scripts, are often formed in childhood and can influence our lifelong financial decisions. For example, if we grew up in a household where money was seen as a source of security, we may have a conservative approach to finances. Understanding how money works can help you become aware of biases and limiting beliefs and make more informed financial decisions. Financial role models. Our parents and guardians act as influential role models when it comes to managing money. The financial habits and practices we observe in our formative years can shape our financial habits. If our parents practice responsible financial practices such as budgeting, saving, and investing, we are more likely to adopt similar habits. Conversely, negative financial practices can also be passed down through generations unless they are consciously acknowledged and addressed. Emotional attachment. Personal history can lead to an emotional attachment to money. If we experienced financial scarcity or hardship in the past, we may develop anxiety or fear surrounding money. On the other hand, if we witnessed financial abundance or stability, we may associate money with security and success. Understanding these emotional connections can help us identify and eliminate emotional biases that can influence our financial decisions. Learned financial practices. Our personal history plays a role in shaping our financial practices and habits. If we were raised in an environment that emphasizes frugality, we are more likely to engage in similar behavior. Conversely, if we are prone to overspending or financial mismanagement, these patterns can influence our practices if not consciously addressed. Recognizing these learned practices allows us to assess their effectiveness and make changes where necessary. Financial values and priorities. Personal history influences the development of our financial values and priorities. For example, if we observed that our parents prioritize experiences and travel over material possessions, we too might appreciate life's experiences more. Our personal history shapes our perception of what is important and guides our financial decisions accordingly. Financial scripts and relationships. Personal history can also influence our relationships with money and how we interact with others in financial matters. For example, if we see conflicts or tensions in our family about money, it may be difficult for us to talk openly about finances or to confide in others about finances. Recognizing these patterns can help you develop a healthier relationship with money and improve your communication about money matters. Understanding the impact of our personal history on our relationship with money is key to developing a healthier and more focused approach to personal finance. By recognizing biases, learned practices, and emotional connections, we are actively engaged in making positive changes, aligning financial habits with goals, and overcoming limiting beliefs that can hinder financial well-being. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more useful videos. Goodbye.